So I'm gonna start a row as I normally would, but in treble what we have to do is we normally chain 4, but because we're gonna put 2 together and it's the very first stitch, you're only gonna chain 3. You'll see why in just a moment. You're going to treble into the next one. So wrap in the hook twice and then going into the next one, pull through 2, 2 and 2. And because that you did not chain 4 like you're supposed to with double treble, these 2 just became 1. So let's do it as a regular stitch here. So let's put the next 2 together. So you're gonna wrap the hook twice, going into the next stitch, pull through, and you keep pulling through 2 until you get to the last one that's left on that particular post. Okay, so you got now 2 loops. So wrapping twice, going into the next one, pull through 2 and 2, and then you get these you're at the top of the post. So yarning over, wrapping through all 3. So let's try it again. So wrap in twice, pull through and pull through 2 until you're at the top of that post, which is here, and then do it again, the next one, and then you're back to your 3 loops on the top. You pull through all 3, and that would be how you would apply treble 2 together. You might see this once in a while, and it's pretty easy.